Victoria Industrial Park is a special economic zone here in Victoria, Tarlac that's dedicated to create 10,000 jobs. We really want to create jobs, especially for farmers and the community surrounding us. So we want it to be a hub for manufacturers, particularly labor-intensive manufacturing for export. So we can create more products for other countries and we can create a lot of opportunities here. This ecozone has an on-site FDA office. Manufacturing for medical devices and pharmaceutical products are ideal. Also for garments and BPO. Anything that labor intensive is really the priority of this industrial park. To President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., thank you so much for granting us a special economic zone status here. So your presidential proclamation really created a lot of opportunities here in Tarlac where it's really needed. And I'm really grateful to you for signing the Create More bill because it's so advantageous for us as a country so we can compete with other countries in terms of the incentives that we give to investors.
Itong Victoria Industrial Park na to, ito yung simula po sa direktiba ng ating mahal na Presidente Bongbong Marcos way back February 2024 when I met him and all the cabinets. Itong unang-unang direktiba niya na DOCSAM just built one exclusive pharmaceutical development zone, ecozone para sa drug accessibility. So ang role po ng FDA dito ay simple lang. Since po kami ang ahensya na nagre-rehistro ng mga gamot at bakuna, ay kami po ay physically present po dito. Sa Makatawid po meron kaming ongoing na laboratory and office dito sa mismong site mismo. So lahat po na mag-i-invest dito ay meron pong sinasabi natin na green lane or fast access for registration ng mga drug. Now, because of the policy na ginawa natin nung nakaraang taon, pinadali natin exportation, mahihikayat po natin yung mga drug manufacturers natin na mag-invest sa Pilipinas. Ang ating presidente po, wala pong ibang ginawa kundi magtrabaho at gusto niyan talaga benefit of all Filipino peoples, healthcare access and murang gamot. Yan ang direktiba niya sa akin when he appointed me. So ito po, simula na po ng bagong Pilipinas, dire-diretso na po tayo sa progresibong Pilipinas at mahal na Presidente, accomplish po tayo ngayon, sir.
Well, ang Victoria Industrial Park is a 30-hectare economic zone. Ito po ang pinakaunang pharma park na tinalaga sa under the leadership of President Marcos Jr. So ang layunin po nito ay maghikayat ng mga magmamanufacture ng drugs, medical devices, upang sa gayon ang bansang Pilipinas ay maging self-reliant at sa pamamagitan ng pag-manufacture ng sarili nating medisina sa pamamagitan ng mga economic zones gaya ng Victoria ay lalong mapababa ang presyo ng medicines and this will also make accessible the medicines for our ordinary Filipinos. Ang aming taus-pusong pasasalamat sa ating mahal na Pangulo sa pag-conceptualize ng isang pharma park. Ito ay isang naging reality na sa pamamagitan ng PESA. Kauna-unahan itong Victoria Industrial Park. Kami po ay umaasa na sa buong Pilipinas magkakaroon pa tayo ng pharma parks upang sa ganon ay mapagtibay natin ang ating kakayanan sa pag-manufacture ng sarili nating medicines at medical devices.